Nick! What an enchanting gala in Zootopia! Looks like a wonderful night filled with surprises.
And filled with our favorite friends, no doubt. This place is truly something special.
Nick! Judy! Aren't you two joining the dance contest? A dance contest? We weren't prepared. Don't worry. We can dance our way. Whoops! Oh, dear. Nick! You can't keep tripping like this. Don't worry, Nick. Just believe in yourself. You've got this.
I'm just trying a new dance move, don't you see?
Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick. You've got this. We're with you.
You make me feel like the luckiest guy.
Different in the world. So do you, Nick. There you go. I told you, together, everything is possible.
And thank you for making me a better person.
Congratulations! A love like that is truly beautiful. Another beautiful morning stretching over Zootopia. Always a new adventure waiting. Another quiet day in Zootopia, Carrots.
Almost too quiet for my liking.
Don't tempt fate, Nick. You know what happens then. Nick, look! Over there! That little bunny! They seem really upset. Hi there! What's wrong? What are you looking for?
I told him to wait, but then the crowd came, and I looked down, and he just disappeared.
We'll help you find your backpack, don't worry. We're the best in the business.
All right, Nick. We'll split up. I'll check over here by the market, and you look on the other side near the fountains.
All right, Top Detective. This mission won't be too hard for us. Not with a genius like me on the case. Let's see here. Nope, just an old wrapper. Bunny's backpack isn't gonna just jump out and say hello.
Nick! I found it! It's under that tree, right over here.
Haha, knew you had it, Carrots. Great job, Judy. You're the #1 detective.
Here it is, your backpack. You can smile now, little one.
You can smile now. Thank you so much. You're amazing.
No problem, little one. Don't forget to call us if you need any more help. And try not to lose anything again.
See, Nick? Helping others, even the smallest, makes Zootopia a truly special place.
Especially when we've got each other, Carrots.
Nick, look! Look, that flamingo is so beautiful!
Yeah, it is. But nothing beats the sunset when I have you by my side.
You? Did you really say that?
Of course. You're like a star shining in the night sky.
Rainbows my sky. Sweet words make Judy's heart race.
Nick and Judy aren't just great friends. They're the perfect pair who truly understand each other.
Well, I'll keep surprising you. You're the one who makes Zootopia so special.
In the quiet space of Zootopia, our friendship is slowly turning into love. It feels so sweet and special. Nick, thank you for always being here for me. I'm so lucky to have you.
Me too, Judy. Zootopia wouldn't be the same without you.
I'm gonna see.
And so, the story of Judy and Nick continues in this world of Zootopia, where friendship and love always bloom. Their bond, a light, forever brightens every corner of Zootopia. With every shared smile, their adventure beautifully unfolds.